There's some moisture in that straw, some really green material. It's like silage coming out of the chopper here. Probably be done here pretty soon for the night, but see what we can do. Here's beautiful sunset in Wisconsin. But when you look at those soybeans, yeah, a bit harder to see now here. It gets darker, but you see green leaves on it yet. Really nice green stems, but the pods, you know, the pods and the beans are ready. So the sample looks really good. The guys were saying here from New Age Custom Farming. These have very tiny green little buttery pods in there, here and there, like the stuff that you really can't crack open. At least this one is matured here. So compared to what they used to deal with, they're super pumped and happy, they said. But of course this takes a lot of horsepower to get through the machine, through the chopper. But he said he has all grades in there now, in the first and second position in the CR, and also all grade extensions. And he said he had a really easy time to set the combine. It was a lot easier to find the right setting compared to what he used to deal with, specifically in these really tough conditions here. And the straw is just like silage coming out here.